Alright guys, I'm gonna try to capture this yacht that's out there passing as good as possible, but I'm using my cell phone. Okay, so when I saw the actual yacht through my binocs from the house, I actually went on this website called marinetraffic.com. And with this app, as you can see here, you could actually track any yacht that's on the water, and that is using radar. And in using that, I was able to find out the name of the yacht is currently Chaos. It was previously named, it's called the Chaos Pleasure Yacht, and it was previously named the Jubilee. And if you've ever purchased anything from Walmart, that's where your money went to. Okay, so I had a feeling that the yacht was actually going to Magen's Bay. So when I was passing by Magen's Bay later on that day, I peeped down in the bay and actually did see the yacht anchored right out there. It was actually the biggest yacht anchored in the bay, in Magen's Bay, along with a whole bunch of other yachts that were in the bay. Things we do sometimes to catch a shot. This pocket spot is real sketchy, but guess what? Look at the view. Look at the view. All right, my drone is broken, the gimbal is broken, so I attached this little thingy-majiggy right here. Try to catch a shot. So let's see if we can make it work. Check out my makeshift setup here. I got the GoPro mounted to the drone. Yeah, they call me MacGyver in case y'all didn't know. So we're gonna try a thing, because we're going down there to check out the ships in Magen's Bay. Sorry for the wind, y'all. It's high winds today. Hopefully the drone make it back